The tension in the air was palpable as they realized the potential leak in the crossword could expose their plans to the enemy, threatening the lives of thousands. With the clock ticking down, the officers quickly devised a plan, knowing that every moment counted to avert calamity. In the summer of 1944, as the world held its breath for the invasion of Normandy, a seemingly innocent crossword puzzle published in a local newspaper nearly led to disaster. Allied intelligence officers, weary from months of planning, gathered in a London pub filled with the scent of smoke and stale beer, poring over the clues, unaware that one of them contained critical information about D-Day. As the officer rushed to contact higher command, the conversations around him intensified, voices mingling with the clinking of glasses and the distant sound of gunfire from training exercises. Each man knew that one mistake could change the course of history as they scrambled to obscure the clues that could lead to disaster. With the weight of their mission resting on their shoulders, the soldiers transformed the chaotic atmosphere of the pub into a war room, decoding messages with fevered urgency. As they pieced together the hidden meanings, the truth became clear. Their enemy was watching, and every second counted. In the midst of their frantic decoding, a shadow loomed outside. A spy sent to gather intelligence who could spell doom for the Allied forces if he succeeded. As the soldiers honed in on the final pieces of the puzzle, they remained blissfully unaware of the threat that lurked just beyond their reach. A sudden burst of excitement filled the room when one soldier cracked the code, their camaraderie igniting as they celebrated the triumph that could save countless lives. Yet outside, the enemy spy faded into the darkness, his mission incomplete, leaving a chilling reminder of the unseen battles waged in the shadows of war.